Hello everyone, my name is Ganga Mohan Reddy Rudru and today I will be presenting my product titled AI Fresh Tomato Mart. This is an online tomato shopping platform combined with AI-based freshness detection. The system includes farmers, customers and an admin and uses a CNN model to automatically rate tomato freshness. Now I'm going to share my screen and show my PPT to explain the project. Just a second. Yeah. Now I'm sharing my screen and this is my PPT for my project. And coming to my project, this is AI Fresh Tomato Mart online based using an AI quality prediction. And this is done by myself. And coming to the first slide, just uh, in the traditional vegetable markets, customers cannot truly verify the freshness of tomatoes before buying, and online vegetable stores only shows images which not reflect real quality. Also, because of middle term, farmers do not get fair prices, customers lose trust, and a lot of food is wasted. To solve these issues, we developed an online platform where AI automatically predicts the freshness rating of tomatoes. And coming to the next slide, the main objectives of this project are provide a direct farmer to customer shopping system and integrate CNN based freshness prediction using tomato images and show a freshness rating from 1 to 5. Ensure transparency and trust, manage orders, deliveries, and user approvals. Reduce food wastage by promoting only high quality produce. And the main goal is to bring AI into agriculture and improve online shopping experience. And coming to the next slide, the proposed solutions features. Current system do not have automated quality checks. Customers depend on seller images, no AI based rating, no comparison between farmers, and no verification process. This leads to bad quality produce reaching customers and delayed manual verification. And our proposed system introduces CNN model that rates tomato freshness between 1 and 5. Farmers upload images and then AI predicts rating and customers compare freshness scores before buying. Admin approves all registrations and automatic stock management. This ensure a safe and reliable online shopping experience. Coming to the next slide, which is system architecture. The system architecture includes the front we used for these features. The front end we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and for the back end we use Python, Flask, and for the database we used MySQL using SQL, AL, Alchemy, ORM, and the AI model we used is CNN. And interaction, file storage, images saved in static or uploads, and the sessions used to store user login data. The backend connects the website with the AI model and the database. Coming to the next slide, which is modules. This is main explain the four modules, which has customer module and farmer module, admin module, and at last CNN freshness prediction. The customer module used to register login and view products, see AI freshness rating, add to cart, checkout, and track orders. Farmer module includes upload tomato details and image. AI model predicts freshness rating, manage products, update delivery status. And the admin module, he does approves or rejects user registrations, monitors orders and user activity. And coming to the CNN module, it predicts freshness using tomato images, works with a trained model. And coming to the next slide, which is CNN algorithm. The CNN model analyze tomato images by extracting features like color, texture, ripeness, and patterns. Uh, for this process, we used load labeled dataset which rates 1 to 5, and we train the CNN model and we evaluate accuracy and we save the model. During product upload, we predict freshness. It predicts freshness automatically. In our system, the AI model uses a 224 into 224 image size, normalizes the image and predicts the class. And I will explain the code here, the Python code which I wrote. And I used app set narration. This project is built using Flask. We import all required libraries: Flask, SQL Alchemy, TensorFlow, NumPy, and image preprocessors. And here we configure SQL Alchemy is used for managing all dataset operations. And coming to the database models narration, and there are three main modules, which is user module, uh, customer module, and admin module. The user module we create using, yeah, this is the user module which we use to connect stores usernames, passwords, role customer admin, and the admin approves the registration and tracks registration data and contact details. And next is the product model. Product model stores tomato name, image, location, quantity, price. And it is linked to the farmer, stores AI freshness rating. And next is the order module. Order module stores customer order details and it shows order status, pending, accepted, or delivered, tracks delivery date, and then connects to the customer, farmer, and a product. And then authentication narration. Then we use Flask sessions to store user login details, and login required decorator ensures only logged in users can access certain pages, and the role required restricts pages to admin, farmer, or customer's operation. And coming to the login and registration, and admin logs in using fixed credentials. Farmers customers register through a form and wait for admin approval, and then if admin approves, then the farmers are they can upload images and they can sell the tomatoes. And after the registration, user details are stored in the database. And then coming to the final one, uploading product and AI prediction. And we all can say that this is the heart of the entire project. When a farmer uploads a tomato image, file is saved into static or uploads. And then AI model is loaded and image is resized to 224 into 224, and the model predicts freshness rating, and the product is saved with rating. And then finally product is stored in the database with the predicted rating. And then coming to the shopping cart, customers can add items to cart stored in sessions, and system checks available stocks before adding. And then coming to the checkout, orders are stored in the database. 1 second. Yes, coming to the checkout, orders are stored in the database and cart gets cleared, order status initially set to pending, and then farmers can update accepted, delivered, or rejected. When the order is delivered, stock is reduced from the product quantity automatically. Admin can approve or reject user registrations, view platform statistics, monitor overall systems, and we can see from the code, I imported all the libraries, numpys, and I returned in the Python code. And here I created user module, admin module, and farmer module where they can add, upload images, and then AI predicts using CNN model. And then if we get added into cart, and then the tomato gets reduced and the cart gets updated automatically. And coming to the advantages of the system, and it automated quality assurance and direct farmer to customer connection, no in between any brokerages and no fees, so that the farmers can get benefited by using this model. And we provide transparency in produce quality so that the buyers or the sellers can what we say, like, they sell good quality tomatoes so that no one will get lost in between. The farmers get benefited and the sellers also get benefited by using fresh tomatoes. And we can reduce waste also. One second. And we can reduce wastages by not uploading, and so that we can save money. Just a second. Yeah, we can save money, and there is a fair pricing for farmers and a reliable shopping experience for users. And coming to the conclusion, and the AI plus agriculture improves transparency, CNN ensures accurate quality prediction, and the platform benefits farmers and both the customers, and it can be scalable for future using IoT or blockchain. And this is my project, and now I'm going to run my project. I have uploaded all into Anaconda prompt AI, and then I will run my project by using the Anaconda prompt, and I will upload the libraries using Conda activate TF, and then I have uploaded all these into my desktop using users. Just a second. Yeah, so now I have coming from base to this user using the desktop, and then I'll be uploading my Python file here. Yeah, after uploading my Python file, then the all the code will run in the prompt, and then by using this link, the HTTP, and then I can run my project here. Yeah, so this is my project, and here what I said earlier, like, I have created the farmer login, customer login, and admin login. And the farmer login, first then they need to register their account, and the account is stored in the database. And then they have to put the accurate address here, and they need to upload their photos, and then the after uploading, then the customers will log is the same, they will register everything, and they'll put their address, phone number, and then they will buy tomatoes from the farmers. And after this, the admin login will check and will approve. The admin has the own username and password, and he will checks and he will approves and he will